We are from Group 6 from Software Engineering Class 1B from University of Education Indonesia. And then we're gonna talking about self-improvement. But first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Faisal Fikri, and the next member, please introduce yourself.
My name is Aiman Abdurrahman.
Okay, thank you, Aiman. Next, please.
My name is Muhammad Ilham Nuari.
Okay, thank you, Ilham. And then next, please.
My name is Muhammad Nabil Furqan.
Okay, thank you, Nabil. And then next person, please.
My name is Nika Fistifatarani.
Okay, thank you, Nika. And then the last person, please introduce yourself.
My name is Fernando Bayu Putra Pratama.
Okay, so that's all the introduction of our member. And then let's check out this video.
So now here, we are going to the first point, that is about the definition of self-improvement. What is self-improvement? So now, let's define the self-improvement. The definition of self-improvement is pretty self-explanatory. Self-improvement is the improvement of one's knowledge, status, or characters by one's own efforts. It's the quest to make ourselves better in any and every facet of life. Self-improvement almost starts with self-awareness and the ability to transfer your habits. If you're serious about transforming your life and improving yourself, you should start with these two ways.
First is how to stop lying to ourselves. A call for self-awareness. If you are serious about getting better at something, then one of the first steps is to know, in black and white terms, where you stand. You need self-awareness before you can achieve self-improvement. And the second, forget about setting goals. Focus on this interest. For most of us, the path to self-improvement starts by setting a specific and actionable goal. What I'm starting to realize, however, is that when it comes to actually getting things done and making progress in the areas that are important to you, there is a much better way to do things. It all comes down to the difference between goals and systems.
Why self-improvement is important? There are many reasons why we need to try and improve yourself. One reason being that it can help you become a better version of yourself. Improve your relationship, your study, or your job. One of the most effective ways to find out how you can improve is to ask the people around you and try to figure out what your strengths and weaknesses are. Another reason is that self-improvement can often present you with new opportunities. Growth eventually leads to new opportunities. Focusing on your self-improvement will help grow. A good place to start is by reading personal development blogs like this one, as well as articles and books. Then try to implement this learning into yourself. Furthermore, this will help to increase your self-esteem to high level. Having both the focus and confidence is ultimately the starting point to follow your dream. You must believe in yourself and your dream enough to reach for them, and whilst growing, you are also building the correct mindset.
There are so many kinds of things that we can do to improve ourselves. For example, how to overcome insecure, finding ikigai, overcoming stress, overcoming laziness, how to think critically, and facing failure. This information about self-improvement can come from anywhere. The easiest source of information about self-improvement nowadays is through the internet. On the internet, those information can be in form of written, audio, or even a video, and this makes us easier to improve ourselves.
And then let's talk about how to improve yourself. Actually, the biggest factor of success for self-improvement depends on the people itself. And for now, what I'm about to tell you is some tips that might help your self-improvement. First, read about what you want to improve. Some people might not like reading books, but by reading books, it will help you to open your mind and get more knowledge. In case, if you want to get better at a certain skill, so read a book related to that skill. So it's not a waste if you consider reading one or several books sometimes. And then, find a mentor. A mentor can be anyone from a peer who knows something you don't and you want to learn, all the way up to someone vastly more experienced who is willing to take you under their wing. Mentorship is by far the fastest path of learning. And last, consistency is the key. Self-improvement doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly and deliberately. Consistency is what creates truly meaningful change, and this is what makes the process so difficult for people. You don't do it once and you're fixed. Self-improvement is a daily practice and lifestyle.
So, the conclusion is self-improvement is the quest to make ourselves better in any and every facet of life. Self-improvement starts with self-awareness. So, you need self-awareness before you can achieve self-improvement. Why self-improvement is important? Self-improvement is important because it will help you become a better person. One of the most effective ways you can improve is to find out your strengths and your weaknesses. And nowadays, we can easily find information about self-improvement in the internet. You can start by reading blogs, articles, or books on personal development and try to do it in your daily life. How to improve yourself? First, you must read about what you want to improve. Second, find a mentor to help you find out what you don't know. And the last is consistency, because consistency is the key to the success of self-improvement.
So that's all the video about self-improvement from us. We hope you enjoy the video and we hope you like it. And we hope it can be helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.